What if your dream home didn't separate you from nature, but brought you closer to it? Introducing a new vision by Palazzo Realty, where modern architecture meets natural serenity. For those who crave for peaceful mornings, natural light, and a breath of fresh air, this is your place. Minimalist design, eco-conscious elements, and a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living. It's not just a house, it's a lifestyle surrounded by what truly matters. Crafted for those who find peace in greenery and beauty in simplicity. Palazzo Realty, modern homes made for nature lovers.